A locked-up AC compressor can actually prevent your car from starting because it creates massive friction on the serpentine belt. When the internal bearings of the compressor seize, the pulley can no longer rotate freely. Since this pulley is connected to the engine's crankshaft via the belt, the starter motor may struggle to turn the entire frozen assembly, resulting in a no-start condition or a loud squealing sound. In many cases, removing or bypassing the belt temporarily can confirm this diagnosis.